Hello again. Well, this is Jaws, and it's by Dark Arts Lockpicking. And let's give it a crack. It's not an easy one, I can assure you. There is the key. 6 pins and 3 highs, 3 lows, and it does take a bit of picking, and it took me about 15 minutes to pick it. I was going to say over 15 minutes, but it was just about on 15 minutes. So there we go. I don't know, how can you see that all right? I think the light's about right. I can't really see what you're seeing, and I've got the camera in a new place, so I'm not very happy with that really. I'm not very good at. I did have a practice with it like this, but anyway, that's number 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. 5 and 6. Get a little bit of movement on 6 normally. Anyway, let's start from number 1 again. 1, bit of a thing. 2, 3, that's binding. 4, 5's binding. 6, it's all spongy. Oh, no it isn't. 1, careful with 1, 2, 3's binding. 4's all spongy. 5's all crunchy. Couple of clicks there on the old 6. Number 1. 2. I think that's 2. 5. 6. That was 6, wasn't it? So what's going on there? Lots of shenanigans at the back there. 1. A little bit of movement there. So what you do is you go up and down this thing, and it's backwards and forwards. Lost me full set. Got it back again. To 1, 2, 3. I think it opened when I opened. Watch it. When I opened it, I've only opened it once. Took me 15 minutes. I opened it on 3 or 4. I wasn't quite sure. I don't know what it was. It opened anyway. You lose track of it when once it's open, don't you? Here we go. 4 minutes. I'm not going to gut it, guys. I'm not going to gut it. But there you go. I should have gutted it perhaps, but I'm not. It's been gutted on camera, and it's been opened on camera now. Here we go. Fabulous. Actually, considering it's as smooth as butter, I have done some work on this inside here actually, and but it's only to replace springs really, and that's all. And I've cleaned it up. It needed cleaning up a lot. So actually I took the that little tab off the back as well to there was a little X on the tab, and I've put the X on the back plate with a little face, so it's actually an emoji blowing you a kiss. Thank you very much, guys. Great look, Dark Arts, and I shall, now that I've got it on camera and everything, I shall be moving this on to Pastures New. So yeah, I should be putting it in a packet, I think. It'll be interesting to see where I send that to, actually, because I know where I'm going to send it to. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. See you around.